Good evening, everyone. And today I will try to talk with you normally. And every single day I try to talk with you as like speech. But today I will try to talk with you as like I am talking with you. Because in our normal life we also talk and we don't give a speech. And the motto of the video, we also want to improve our English communication. And I also want to learn how can I become a natural speaker and how you can relate your life with my life. So this is our aim, this is our goal. So through this goal we will continue our this video because when we'll talk with you, so that time definitely I will improve something, I will learn something. So it is a good way, means record yourself and check yourself and check and actually what do you want to say and what did you say. While you will analyze your self recording, so that time you can guess your mistakes, you can find your mistakes, and you can learn something new and valuable from your mistakes. When we learn something from our experience, so we learn it forever. And when we find same situation, so that time our mind also alert and give us realization, no, first time you already mistake in this point, now you have to be allowed and you have to use in a good way. My dear friend, today I also want to share with you my day. So among my day, which part was very interesting. So today one story happened with me, and then you can relate this story with your life. So today is a Friday. So today I was working, and after that, when I have completed my bath, and after that I went masjid, and there I performed namaz. And I saw some people also brought some foods and for the prayer. So after that end of the namaz, he also announced, end of the namaz, you have something for eatable and you should accept this feast. So you also know as like a prasad, and people also try to distribute after namaz. Today I also thought, yes, I will also take, but it I could not go there, and my heart did not allow me to go there and take, because for a long time I don't take that type of food after namaz. So for this reason, I could not go there. I come back there. So today I understood, and it was so easy for me in my childhood. And in my childhood, very easily we also accept, and it was so easy for me. But same things now it is so difficult for me. The reason means I didn't this work for a long time. The same things in our life, when we do something regularly, so that time day by day we remove our hesitation, we build confidence, and we gain something. But when we left something for a long time, that time we lose our confidence, we gain fear. And when we want to show our confidence, so our mouth and brain does not give us support. So in this way, always I try to say, and always I told you, always I tell you, just practice. And every single day you can do practice. When you will learn something every single day, when you will do practice, when you will have an environment of English, so automatically English will come from your mouth. Otherwise, it will be difficult, it will be so hard for you. And always you will have a dream. I want to remove my hesitation. I also want to speak as like expert, but due to your shameless, so it is not easy for you. Another story happened with me, means I also want to make video outdoor. So for this reason I went outside and I want to make video. But my fear, but my shameless didn't give me allow to make video and hand over the camera front of the people. My brain also give me suggestion, if you make video your people what will say. And for this reason I didn't have a craze to hang my camera and record myself. But I will try to make myself, I will try to record myself outdoor, and I will develop a habit. Means how can I bring my this capability, this capacity, this skill front of the audience? Because when I will not show my ability, when I will not show my capacity, how I will find a good position and great position? I have to remove this habit, and I have to remove this my shameless, this thinking what people will say about me. What I should think as like, means what I think about myself, it is matter, and what do people think about me doesn't matter for me. So tomorrow I will try to record myself outdoor, and I will do this. So my dear friend, learn something every single day, and improve something every single day. Read, write, listen, and practice a lot. When you will do same things repeatedly, automatically you will find a confidence, you will find an idea how to speak. So my dear friend, if you are new, you didn't subscribe our channel, so please subscribe our channel and support us, comment, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video. Tomorrow we will come with a new video, and I will learn, and I will help you, and I will help myself. Thank you for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.